You are in a meeting. Your boss asks you something in English. You know the answer. You know it perfectly, in Hindi, but when you open your mouth to speak, nothing comes out. Sound familiar? This is not a vocabulary problem. This is not a grammar problem. This is a translation problem. Every time you speak English, your brain does this. Think in Hindi, translate, then speak. That translation step is the enemy of fluency. Today I will show you how to remove it completely. Thinking in English does not mean forgetting Hindi. It means building a second lane in your brain. A direct English lane. No detour, no translation, just speak. These 9 tips will help you build that lane. One small habit at a time. Tip 1. Immerse yourself in English every single day. Not just watching movies. That is passive. When you watch a show like Mirzapur or Sacred Games, pause when someone speaks English. Repeat that line out loud. One active sentence 10 times a day. That is 70 new English thoughts every week. Tip 2. Put English labels on objects in your home. Stick a note on your water bottle. Write water bottle, your fan, your fridge, your charger, your chair. Every time you see the label, your brain connects directly. No translation needed. Within 2 weeks your brain will just think. Table, fan, fridge, not the Hindi word first. Tip 3. Start thinking in simple English sentences. Do not try to sound like a professor. Just narrate what you are doing right now. I am drinking chai. The traffic is very bad today. I need to call my friend. These sentences do not need to be impressive. They just need to be in English. Tip 4. Write 3 English sentences every night. Use your phone notes app. Not a diary. Just 3 simple things that happened today. Today I had a meeting at work. I was nervous but it went okay. My manager gave me good feedback. 2 minutes every night. That is all. Over time your brain starts thinking those sentences before you even write them. Tip 5. Narrate your day in English. Inside your head, think of yourself as the main character of a movie. You are doing the voiceover. I am waking up. It is 6:45. I am making chai. I always put too much sugar. I am going to be late again. You are commuting anyway. You are cooking anyway. Use those moments to speak English in your mind. Tip 6. Change your phone language to English. Right now, yes, it feels uncomfortable at first. But every notification in English is a free lesson. Every menu, every setting, every app, that is dozens of English interactions every single day. For free, with zero extra effort. Change it today. Give it 1 week. You will adapt faster than you think. Tip 7. Find one person you talk to only in English. A friend who is also learning. A cousin abroad. The rule is simple. Only English. WhatsApp messages in English. Voice notes in English. You do not need to be perfect. Making mistakes together is part of how it works. No embarrassment. Just progress. Every single day. Tip 8. Say one English sentence out loud every morning. Make it personal. Make it positive. Try this one. I am improving my English every single day. Say it in front of the mirror. Say it before your next important meeting or interview. When you speak English with emotion, it trains your brain differently. It puts you in English mode before you even need it. Tip 9. And this is the most important one. Do not try to think in English all day from tomorrow. You will burn out and give up. Instead, start with just 30 seconds. Set a timer. Think in English for 30 seconds. Narrate what you see. Say your mantra. Describe the room. 30 seconds a day for 30 days is 15 minutes of English thinking. Then 1 minute. Then 5. Then 1 day. English is just your default. Here are all 9 tips one more time. 1. Immerse yourself actively every day. 2. Label objects around your home. 3. Think in simple sentences. 4. Write 3 sentences in English every night. 5. Narrate your day in your head. 6. Switch your phone to English. 7. Find one English-only communication partner. 8. Say an English mantra every morning. 9. Start with just 30 seconds a day. None of these cost money. None of them need perfect grammar. None of them need a trip abroad. They just need consistency. The reason most Indian English learners stay stuck is not ability. It is the habit of translating instead of thinking. You already know more English than you give yourself credit for. Start today. Pick one tip. Just one. Do it for 7 days and see what changes. If this video helped you, share it with one friend who is stuck in the same translation trap. Subscribe for more spoken English tips every week. See you in the next one.